Today, we will feature the housing lot behind me. Alam ko very familiar yung design sa inyo no, because we are at the development of Greenfield City. We are here at Pramana Residential Park. This is the first residential park in the Philippines and the first residential ni Greenfield dito sa Greenfield City, Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Pramana Residential Park is very near to Eton Exit. Malapit din tayo sa development or lifestyle development ng Paseo Outlets, and also we are just 10 to 15 minutes away sa development ng Ayala New Valley. Ngayon, we are here at Pramana because we have a brand new housing lot. We have a 154 square meter floor area that sits in 176 square meter lot area. So itong housing lot na i-feature natin today is ready for occupancy. So if you're a type of investor, gusto mo na nakikita mo na nakatayo na yung bahay, no, continue on watching this video. Baka itong housing lot na ang para sa'yo. Mabuhay to all of our viewers, no? I am Pao once again, no? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna, specifically at Greenfield City Pramana Residential Park. And today, kung saan tayo nag-intro, no, we are very near lang doon sa open space ng ating pinaka-residential development or yung pinaka-gitna. But this housing lot, this is a corner housing lot na i-feature natin today. Kita mo ang lawak ng space niya. The space here, yan. Part of the property, yung hanggang dito sa gilid, kasi walkway na to. Then we have a parang corner, two views kasi. So meron tayo sa harap at meron tayo sa likod. So on this part naman, this has a way to going to our auxiliary kitchen and service area. Yan, dito yan. Then on this side naman, ito tayo dito. This is our front main entrance. We have the steps, no? And we have a 2-car garage na kasya dito. Yan. And we have a way going to our service area or sa Angel's Quarter. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Pasok na tayo sa mismong bahay. Tara. As we enter, we have an open layout dahil wala pa naman pong gamit na inclusions itong housing lot na to. At ang kagandahan na this housing lot is in the developer's inventory. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong terms na pwede nating hulug-hulugan sa developer. So, ang kagandahan nito na itong bahay na to, guys, it's a newly renovated po. And first time na ikaw po yung titira sa housing lot na to. So, this is your powder room. We have a steps going to second floor. Bago naman tayo pumasok, guys, pakita ko lang na may mga spaces din po dito. Ayan. Gilid-gilid. You can put in the humidifier, foyer, or you can have a cabinet po pala dito sa side na to. Lagay ng mga damit, coats, or ano natin, mga sapatos natin. Then ito yung foyer natin. So you can put your sofa dito sa side na to. Ayan. Yung design ng model house natin, no, medyo marami lang po talagang windows, kasi ang design natin is modern tropical. Even in Solen Residences, kung nakikita nyo po na yung mga bahay doon, ang lalaki po ng bintana. So same din dito sa Pramana Residential Park dahil isang developer lang din po sila. So on this side naman is our access going to the backyard or sa lanay natin. So ayan. Ang lawak pa nito, guys, since this is a corner housing lot. So sakop po talaga dito. Then if pupunta ka naman doon sa side dito, mamaya papakita ko yan. Punta tayo side na to, this will be our service kitchen. Doon tayo dadaan. Then dito naman yung ating dining area. So, as you can see, open naman yung area. So, you can put anywhere you want kung saan mo ilalagay yung sofa mo or table mo. So, kami naman, suggestion lang naman, since ito talaga yung official layout na nandito yung dining area mo. So, dito kasi yung kitchen natin. We have a breakfast nook. So dito sa side na to, you can put a bar stool para bang mukhang bar counter din siya, no? So dito naman sa ating kitchen, we have a ready gas range na. Wala lang range hood. I don't know bakit wala. Ikaw na lang siguro yung bibili, no? Then we have a kitchen cabinet dito sa side na to. Also sink natin, may under sink tayo. We have a lot of spaces. And tingin ko dito yung ating refrigerator. Dito yung refrigerator natin, guys. And this will be our pantry. Tapos pantry din dito sa side na to. And then sa other side, sa taas, no, you can put up storages pa, 'di ba? So ito naman yung kanina na sabi kong titingnan natin. We have a service area dito. Ang laki pa rin at ang lawak. So meron tayo dito Angel's Room. They also have their toilet and bath dito sa side na to. Tapos itong entrance na to guys, ito yung sa parking natin sa parking natin siya. Kaya nagkaroon tayo dito ng gate. So after nyong mag-grocery, mamili, pwedeng dito na kayo dumaan, hugasan nyo na dyan, then pasok nyo na sa loob. Then if halimbawa po na sarado na po yung bahay, yung kasambahay na natin or yung angels natin is meron silang sariling toilet and bath dito and yung quarter nila. So this will be the service area. May abang na rin tayo for the washing machine, no? And meron pa tayong chance makapagtanim dito sa ating backyard. Dahil, alam mo na, yung spaces, makapagtanim ka ng pechay, alam mo yun, parang it's very organic, magkaroon ng organic farm na medyo maliit lang. At least, napapakinabangan natin yung mga lupa sa likod natin. So, punta na tayo sa ating second floor. So guys, bago tayo pumunta sa ating second floor, this will be our powder room. Hindi ko napakita kanina. Yan. Enough space lang for your guests, no? Para naman meron sila or hindi na sila akit sa taas para sa toilet and bath. Then bago tayo makita sa second floor, paliwanag ko lang na we are at Permana Residential Park. Sa ating mga viewers abroad, mga retiree na ang tagal bago makabalik sa Pilipinas, if hindi sila familiar dito sa lugar, no, hopefully this video will help you pag nabanggit ko yung mga access roads na malapit tayo. Umpisahan natin sa Eton Greenfield exit. This is the very and recommendable exit if you are from airport po galing, no. Exit ka lang sa Eton, it's just 5 minutes, nandito ka na sa Pramana. And also, if galing kayong Cavite or galing kayong Manila, going to Mamplasan, may daan din po via Calax po, Cavite Laguna Expressway. Then sa Mamplasan Circle, meron po dong private road. That's a Greenfield road po, going to Greenfield Estate. So, ibig sabihin, if you have stickers or you are living here, no, hindi mo na kailangan pang magbayad ng mga exit, no, pwede ka na mag-exit doon. Then, meron lang tayo one-time membership fee para magkaroon tayo ng stickers na Greenfield. Makakapasok na po tayo doon, then one-time payment lang po yon annually. So, pwede doon. Then, yung pangatlong way natin is Santa Rosa exit. Ito po yung exit natin if we want to go to Santa Rosa proper or if we want to go to Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. So, pwede rin. So, actually, marami din pong exits dito na pwedeng talaga na, alam mo yon, yung tipong pwede ka kung saan-saan ka dumaan. So, very accessible. We are in the middle of everything. Katabi natin si South Forbes Gulf City, katabi natin si New Valley, no? We have a big opportunity when we invest in Metro Santa Rosa dahil magkakatabi lang po yung development natin. So, tara, punta na tayo sa second floor. So, ang ating stairway, may enough space, no? Meron din tayong windows. We have an additional storages here. Meron tayong windows na pwedeng paglagyan ng ating curtain lang dito. Ang laki din, ang ganda rin nung, alam mo yun, hindi siya ganun kalaki. I must say na hindi talaga ganun kalaki yung pinaka-stairway natin, even yung bintana natin dito, no. Pero I think functional enough siya. Saka, nagagawa niya yung trabaho niya, guys. Ano siya, nakakapagbigay ng direct access ng sunlight. So imagine gandong oras, it's 3 PM, hindi kami nagbubukas ng any lights, no? So dito sa taas, pagpasok natin, we have a way or a door here going sa ating balcony, pero hindi natin siya mabuksan. Pero mamaya papakita natin yung balcony dun sa daan papuntang master's bedroom. But first, this is our first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. We have built-in closet or cabinet, no? Meron tayong drop ceiling, we have pin lines, and this is the actual size of the bed or bed area. If you want to put or a single or double bed, I think kasyang-kasya dito. Then you can put here your office table or your gaming area if meron kayong kids, no? So kasyang-kasya, enough yung space niya. Dito naman sa ating second bedroom, this is our second bedroom. Yan. So we have an abang na for window type aircon. Ang gaganda ng bintana. So same with the first bedroom, naka-ano din siya, pin lights and naka-drop ceiling din siya. So on this side, andito naman ang ating built-in na closet or cabinet. So paglabas natin ng ating second bedroom, we have our common toilet and bath. So this is our common toilet and bath. Yan. Naka-cove lights na rin siya, meron na rin siyang center lights, may heater na rin nakaabang and complete sets na rin po na may under sink, cabinet, and meron tayong lavatory na bagong-bago at toilet bowl natin. Meron na, kompleto na rin siya. So, paglabas natin ng ating common toilet and bath, we have our master's bedroom. So, yung master's bedroom natin, this is the biggest bedroom in our house. And mapapansin natin, so since ito yung malaking kwarto, you can put na napakalaking queen or king size bed dito. Tapos we have dito, window tile, naka-cove lights na rin siya, naka-pin lights na rin, no? I mean, cove ceiling na rin yung style niya. Then, yung design dito, na nagkaroon siya ng additional parang open space or open layout dito sa taas. Then, we have a built-in cabinets na rin. But we also have a ensuite toilet and bath. Pero ngayon, nakasara po siya. Hindi natin siya mapakita, no? And ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, na way going sa ating balcony. So, ito yung way. Ito yung kanina na hindi natin mabuksan. Dito yung side na yon. Ayan. Kasi ang ganda rin naman na may ganun, may two-way tayong access sa balcony. Kasi, syempre, not most of the time na nakakapag-ano tayo dito. Or, not most of the time na nandito tayo sa master's bedroom. Tapos, dadaan pa dito yung tao in order na ma-enjoy lang tong balcony. So, magkaroon tayo ng additional space dyan. And for your security, halimbawa, for your privacy also, no, pwede mo naman siyang ilock eh. So, imagine, if mabuksan nila yon, so nakalock naman dito yung ano natin. So, ang ganda ng balcony kasi guys, this is a corner house and lot. So, imagine mo yung view. So, ito yung view mo. Para ka naka ilang degree views eh. Kasi kita mo lahat eh. Na parang 190 views ka dito eh. So, this is the view in Pramano Residential Park. And a lot of our clients, no, laging nadadaanan lang tong Pramano Residential Park if papasok sila ng Eton exit, no. Then laging tinatanong sa amin, ano ba itsura dun sa loob niyan? We also have a drone na mapakita namin tong buong development in the area. So, abangan nyo yan. So, balik tayo sa baba. Tara. So that's the end of our very quick house tour dito sa house and lot natin sa Pramano Residential Park. Just a simple recap lang, it is a corner house and lot that sits in a 174 square meter lot and 154 floor area ng bahay. And on this side, kanina may nakapark dito, no? Hindi natin siya masyado na feature. This is our 2-car garage. Then we have also an auxiliary kitchen, a service area. We have a Angel's Quarter. We also have 3 bedrooms. We have a 1 common toilet and bath. We have a powder room. And we also have a toilet inside our master's bedroom, which is ang ensuite toilet and bath. Pero hindi natin siya napasok dahil nga wala tayong susi. But if you're interested to live here at Pramano Residential Park or to live here at Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna, don't hesitate to message us through our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage, lalong-lalo sa mga clients or viewers natin abroad, no? Just send us a message through our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. That's +639-1712-4830 and see you on our next video.